Hi and welcome to WigganRC, and we're here at the first drone camp, and we're here with all the bits and pieces, and we've got Noelle in the background filming the filmer. Say hi, Noelle. And we're just here doing a few, we've got a workstation set up, got the guys problem solving some stuff, we've got some guys playing Velocidrone here.
Hello YouTube.
Hey! So doing some stuff there, and then we're gonna kick things off with some builds. We're then gonna get onto some workstations, get some builds happening. Got our charging stations and stuff there. So what are you guys doing?
Just trying to troubleshoot. He's getting, when he throttles up, he's getting some bad static across the video.
Okay.
So just trying to work out if it's an earth issue, short somewhere, or if it is a VTX issue.
Excellent. Right, so we're just setting up Velocidrone, so we've got it all hooked up on the TV, and Matt's going to test out and get some stick time and try not to crash. Alright Matt, the world is watching. Matt's pretty new at FPV. He's 3 weeks in. Good work. Yes,
should take the props off.
We have the props off.
Yeah. Oh, not on yours, but.
That's my joke, mate.
Sorry, I stole it.
There you go. Oh, props off before we can start. Oh, that one's already loose anyway.
So Brett, what are you going to do?
We're just trying to get a better picture on the camera. Yeah. It's pretty washed out. You saw it the other day.
Yeah.
Pretty crappy.
Okay.
Better pictures on their cameras. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
And I was scared to play with it. So I was going
Go for it, guys. You've got you've got a lot of stuff with you. So we're here with Thibaut. He's changing his chameleon frame over to a new bottom plate.
Yep.
And we've got Pierce. He's joined the dark side and gone to the TBS Crossfire. So he's just fixing some parts on that. Oh, my first go at Velocidrone. Oh! Wow. This will help me practice some of those matty flips. Oh, nearly!
Yep, so that's a beta FPV.
Oh! Well, I think it's because of the radio. Tyrannus. I'm a Spectrum guy.
Oh my god! Oh my.
So Mike is now flying his retuned quad. How's it flying, Mike?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh! Mike is cutting up trees.
It was fine.
It was flying good.
That was sick. I'm actually happy with that, despite, you know.
Good work.
Catch it with the other hand.
So this is what happens when you fly too aggressively.
Go hard or go home. You know what I say? You're not living life on the edge. You're taking up too much space.
Way! We're almost down. It's stuck on another branch. Hey!
Buddy.
Success! Okay guys, so end of the Wigan Drone Camp. So hope you guys will tune in and the next one we do. And bye for now guys. Say bye!
Bye.
Woo!